What's up, TJ gang? If you ain't with the gang, you a lame. Period.
Today, we back at it again.
With these noodles. With these noodles.
Okay, now, y'all know we did this before. But they was just regular noodles. This time we got spicy noodles.
We got it.
Okay.
Okay, and on this video today, we doing like...
We're going to switch it up for you. You hear me? You heard me?
Okay, so we're going to be showing our old pictures. Because they were back when we were broke down. We were little hurt. And Tasty, I got some old pictures. But take our pictures of all of us. Lord. So I feel like we need to pray.
You ready? You going to pray?
No, you the man.
Nah, you going to pray.
Okay, I'll pray. Okay, bow your heads. Put your hands together. Lord, thank you for this food that we're about to receive. Let it bring good nourishment to the body. And make sure it don't put no harm in the body, Lord, because you don't need it. I'm already fat. I need to lose weight now. Don't need to be eating do. But bless my cousin and bless the world. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so
now, we finna get into it.
I'm gonna eat some of these.
No.
We don't know how to use chopstick, but we finna try.
So don't.
Cause I've been trying a little bit, but I don't know.
And then I'm left-handed. You know, left-handed people very flicky.
Yeah, you messed up, but
How you do it?
I don't know. I just be look. They ain't even.
Oh, let's do our thumbnail.
Oh, okay.
Like, okay, you ready?
Hold up. Let me get a lot of them. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, now we finna eat a little bit before we start the pictures.
But yeah,
Cause I ain't ate nothing. I'm hungry. And what time is it?
It's like
Hungry time.
3:31.
Y'all know noodles. Noodles the meal.
The best.
These things be so good.
I don't think I'm gonna make it with these chopsticks.
Yeah, I'm finna pick up this fork.
But I'm gonna see, cause my left hand catch cramps already.
Okay.
So
good. Yours good with that sauce? He put a lot in there.
shut up. But yeah, y'all, school finna get ready to start back.
Woo! I ain't ready, but it's my senior year.
I'm ready.
It's my senior year. 2020, where you at? Where you at?
It's 2019, baby.
Your year over.
I got this. This almost gone though.
His year over. It's my time to shine. Period. I'm like the only one in the family that's graduating this year. So yeah. But you need to.
It won't open.
Okay, well drink the water.
I don't want.
Just do too much. These noodles buzz.
I don't want water. You ready to get into these pictures?
Yep. Y'all need pictures.
Y'all. Yeah, I've been not screenshotting me.
So better not. Cause Tay was hurt.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna get to these pictures. We're gonna start with
A picture of you.
whatever at the top.
Ooh,
Now this picture, y'all. This picture just.
ooh. That's when we were taking them pictures with the. You know them have pictures.
That was at my cousin's wedding.
So this.
You want to do the honors and do the next picture?
I do the next.
Hey, Juice.
Let me see. I'm just gonna do the next picture. This one right here. This legit. Ooh. Yeah.
What was that?
Look at them earrings.
Baby, she got the one
them
eye.
Earrings.
Oh, you got it flipped over.
Nah, that's how it goes. Cause I had them earrings on when I had went to the military ball with Kiki, and I had got them earrings. Baby, thought I was the stuff. Thought I was the stuff. I'm already getting full.
You will? I'm not.
I think it's the water. Because I drank water before.
I told you. Now we finna do this next picture. Now let's see what it is.
Y'all, we on the slick. We really killed this.
We showed.
We on the slick. Can you put videos on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we made it up ourselves.
Did we? We did. We really killed that on the low. Like, real talk.
Ready?
Oh, my mama, we killed that. I think it would have been better. But we probably should have sat down. Like, got in front of the camera.
Oh, yeah,
Because we ain't do know what our feet are looking.
Now that video.
Y'all, that's before TikTok. Because now musically it's TikTok.
That was like a while back though. Oh, I got it open. I got it open.
Oh!
You look pretty right there.
Yeah, boo, give me my props. This was after we had went to after
Look like
my
I was
8th
in a
grade
restaurant.
graduation, and we was at Pizza Hut. We had went to Pizza Hut. I didn't have no phone. I took this picture on my mama's phone, and she had like a LG. Y'all, that was rough times. Y'all, that shirt was cute though. It had the little shingles on the bottom.
Okay, let's skip because most of these in the row is Tamara. So let's skip to.
You better remember.
One.
Oh, I remember them necklaces though. We used to want them necklaces so bad. Cause they only sold them most of the times at the fair.
Oh yeah. Oh, this picture. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I was bad.
Yeah,
To
bad
the
looking.
bone, baby.
Bad looking.
I was
Head.
bad. Alright, we can
I
go
used
to
to
the
want
next
my
one.
necklace though.
I had so many of them niggas, and all of them broke.
Damn. Okay. Oh, nah, Tay, look at this. Y'all,
Why
look
you
at Tay.
doing this?
Oh, I'm finna get you. What key?
I was bad, baby.
Oh, baby,
Look
what
at the
phone?
key. Mine.
Why you got a pink case?
Because it was my mama's case.
Oh, Lord. Look at this key. You cheat. No, Tay. Is your tongue out?
You know it?
He's wrong. He's wrong for this.
Baby.
Oh, you wrong, baby.
In the doctor office.
In the doctor office with it. You bad.
I
You
know.
bad to the bone.
I know. I know it.
For us not to know how to use these things, we ain't put them down.
Alright, y'all. Let's see. Let's go to town. Now that one.
Oh my God.
Ooh, wait.
What is going on?
Everything.
See, I got one of them necklaces on. I
What
got the
ain't
white one
going
on. You see it?
Baby, she had to be bow on the side with
Ooh.
the fro.
Y'all, that Jackie be my best friend.
Man, she was just
And see,
bad.
I got on my necklace. I missed that necklace though. Not the white one, the one my mama gave me. I don't know where that thing is. But yeah, that picture ugly. So we gonna slide past that little joint.
You don't look
Go
different.
to another one. Did you party? Where'd it go?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
did.
you did. Oh, check my boy out. Check my boy out. Ooh, not with the shades.
With the mohawk.
With
And the tongue out.
that ain't no mohawk. That boosie cut.
Ooh, wait. Your boy was fine.
With the shade.
Your boy was
You killing the game with that one.
fine. You know I was.
You killed the game with that
You
one.
know I was. I think I'm a Chinesian now. Because I'm using chopsticks.
Did you say Chinesian?
That's my own word.
No, baby.
I'm a Chinesian now.
You blew with that one.
Don't try me out there stealing my word. Because ain't nobody said that word
Don't nobody want to be no Chinesian.
except you. Let's go to this one.
Y'all probably seen this in the
Yeah,
well,
y'all probably seen this plenty of times.
but that one, y'all
Look
y'all
at
knew
that
the
little
score.
fro and look at it now. Still left.
Really, it could be built nigga, so don't play with
Ah.
me. Cause I just got in the rainwater and I ain't washed it since and straightened it out.
That was some years ago. That's before we found out we was really favorite cousins.
Yeah.
We was your cousins.
Yeah, we was just cause the LC hadn't hit. LC hadn't hit it yet. We hadn't hit it with LC yet. But he was still my LC. We just didn't know it yet.
Yeah. I was bad though. With the flat top. Forehead
I was too.
popping.
Do you see my little?
Her little bow in the front.
That ain't a little bow. See what happened? It was a bow. Nah, see, it was wrapped around a bow, another bow, and the thing had broke. So I'm like, who? I'm finna use this little shingle string. Tied it.
Oh.
Tied it. You already know how they go. Because if you ain't with the gang, you a what?
Lame. Here
Oh, my food. But
Can
you
you
know
take my
what?
arms on shit? Boom,
Oh, we
boom.
gotta eat all our noodles. You got me big.
Come on.
I don't want that.
Ah.
Psych.
You said we got a yard noodles?
Mm-hmm. Okay, you my turn. Let me see. Oh, my boy, a gangster. My boy, a gangster.
You know I am.
See, he had another one of them necklaces on. Y'all, them necklaces be the stuff.
I had all four.
Oh, my boy had the whole fit in the picture.
Yeah.
The shoes,
I was
the
up
shorts.
for the live thing.
The shoes, the shorts.
With the shades.
With the shade, with the teeth. Y'all see the teeth.
Hold on now. Hold on.
The
I'm so glad they
necklace
got clothes.
killing the game. Let me see. Oh, you gotta look at mine's a little still open. You killing the game with that one, LC. You did that.
I know. Just look.
With the shoes on the picture.
Ooh, please. Baby, I see it. I was contaminated.
Your fingers still look the same.
Hold on now. Calm down. Let's see. Let's go to town.
Don't kill me.
Ooh.
Don't you do
Ooh.
it.
What about this one? Baby, what is this? What
And
is
the fact that that's when I was in 9th grade,
So that's at this house.
yeah, that's recent. It ain't recent. That was like 2017.
Still ugly. Jesus.
Oh, I don't care because my hair grew. I just started taking pictures a little bit better.
Baby,
You know,
I'm getting
I
forward
can
too.
catfish now.
You would have to learn from the best.
Yeah, because we know you
Nah,
can catfish
nah,
ugly self. You gotta eat all. You ain't even got that much left. I don't need it though.
I think it's the soy sauce.
That make you full?
Yeah.
I think it's because I drank that water. We you. I was just about to say we use these chopsticks so wrong.
I'm a Chinese.
Okay,
Let me show you how to use it.
I don't think they will.
Get
Okay.
your left hand. Put it like this. Cross that finger.
What?
Cross that finger. Pick it up. Close it. Oh, there you go.
I ain't get. What is this? I got 3 noodles.
You ain't no Chinese though.
Mm-mm.
See, we
Let me show you a black chicken. a black niece. You come on. Get the right hand. It's like this. You gotta shake your fingers. You gotta catch them like this. You see that? Then you gotta put your other fingers and put that one in the middle.
Okay.
That middle finger in the middle. You go down on it like this. You hold it like this. You move the middle finger out, and you get you some. You scoop up with it like you using a fork, cause I don't know what I'm doing. That is beneath me. You ain't even say excuse me. That was a big one, baby.
Okay, y'all.
But that's how you do a black
Let's
niece.
get back to it. You know what? Just because she irritates me sometimes, we don't go to Big Key.
Y'all, Look at the picture. Yeah. But do y'all see the outside of this? Y'all know y'all see Kick up there.
Heat, baby.
5%. Y'all look at this phone quality. Look at the old Instagram. Look at the old Instagram name. Like, but look at
y'all.
Look at the likes.
66.
Who is these folks? Ramirez. Who is Hooper Slim?
Ain't this the tall, light skinned boy?
I think so. Yup.
Yeah.
It is.
Look at that picture. Look at the profile picture. Is that Nikki?
Boy, I didn't know that was Nikki.
Is that Nikki?
I just liked it. You put that right
Is
there.
that no? I didn't.
But
Is
back
that
then,
Nikki?
I like Nikki,
And
so
you still do.
I don't.
You
Cardi,
still do.
Cardi,
You still
period.
do.
I don't like Nicki Minaj no more. Now back then, when Mama for Life was them songs,
Nah, baby, you still
all
do.
about that. Nah,
Once
all
you
about
like
that.
Nikki, you can't unlike Nikki. It's hard to do.
Oh, it was easy for me, cause I don't like them.
It's hard to do, baby.
Let me get another picture. Did you like them?
Yes, I did.
Let me show y'all.
Y'all,
What in the world? Y'all look at me. Look at them socks. Look at my little brother.
a big dude.
Y'all, we gonna skip past that real fast. We're gonna go to another picture. A picture, cause my mom be telling me not to say picture.
Picture.
Picture. Oh, look at my boy. My boy. There go another one of the necklaces.
You know it.
My boy got the Rockaway on
Rockaway.
with them big glasses that you can see the future in. Don't be looking at me all crazy, boo. You cute though.
I'm full,
You gotta eat
but I
every
ain't
last
got I ain't got much left though. I'm full though.
I ain't got that much left either. Okay, so y'all, that was the rest of the pictures, and we finna sign up back this little gent.
Cause I'm getting sleepy.
He ain't sleep, you always sleep, but anyways, we finna sign out. You ready?
Yeah, we got some more bangers coming for y'all too.
Oh yeah.
So
Better know it. And then y'all will, oh y'all. If y'all have any like pranks or challenges or
just hit me up on
stuff you
Instagram.
wanna do, hit us up on Instagram at TJ Gang with 2 G's. You can hit us up on our channel page at TJGANGG.
There you go.
Cause what? If you ain't with the gang, you a lame. Period. Peace.
Huh?